Tesla, historically one of the greatest money losses in the auto business, has reportedly surpassed most of its main competitors in profit per vehicle over the past year, according to a Reuters study of industry data. Hello, welcome to my channel, where I talk about all things Tesla and electric cars. In today's video, I'll reveal Tesla's hidden weapon, which will help it beat the competition and raise stock prices. Even though we all know it's not even if he plays a big role in it, Elon Musk may not be well known, but it has a big impact on Tesla's cost savings and production efficiency. We'll talk more about the Gigapress in a moment. Reuters reports that during the third quarter of 2022, Tesla made a gross profit of $15,653, which is more than twice as much as Volkswagen AG, 4 times that of Toyota Motor Corp, and 5 times that of Ford Motor Company for the most of this year. Due to a slowdown in semiconductor and other resource limitations, Tesla has quickly increased the price of some of its most popular vehicles, including the Model I SUV. Manufacturing in the auto sector enables companies to concentrate on higher margin models and declare healthy profits, even while sales are drastically down. Tesla's decision to change course and invest its price and production cost advantage since the 2008 financial crisis, well-known manufacturers like General Motors have strengthened their focus on profit over volume. Cuts now criticizes these strategies' dependency. Like during the epidemic, the corporation made major investments in state-of-the-art manufacturing techniques to reduce production costs, such as replacing small metal parts with big castings, parts made with massive casting machines called gigapresses, which were first produced by the Idra Group for Tesla in order to boost economies of scale in 2019. A former employee of Tesla named Jerome Gillen claimed that Tesla Grumman Automation was developing a huge giant machine to produce full-size cars in the same way that toy cars are made. They wanted to beat German automakers at their own game. Tesla also pushed for the production of batteries and other components of its supply chain, in addition to standardizing its car designs. In order to cast the Tesla Model S rear chassis and crash rails as a single component, Tesla bought the 2 biggest casting machines in the world in April 2020. Elon Musk announced in January 2021 that a casting machine capable of producing over 8,000 tons would be used to make the rear chassis of the Tesla Cybertruck. On March 16, 2021, the first 8,000 tons of die was ordered from the Italian company Idra Group. In addition to the foundations for numerous additional Gigapress units, Tesla had 5 casting machines erected at Giga Shanghai, 2 at the Tesla factory in California, 2 at Giga Berlin, and 2 at Giga Texas. In May and June of 2022, Idra put together a 9,000-ton force, or 880 kilonewtons. Gigapress. Describe the Gigapress. The Gigapress is a massive device that can cast large portions of an automobile's body into one piece instead of needing to solder together multiple smaller ones. Tesla has made significant investments in its Gigapress and will likely continue to do so. However, given that Tesla is renowned for doing amazing feats, it stands to reason that the Gigapress will be located in its factories. The Gigapress is the largest high-pressure die casting machine in the world. Measuring 64 feet long by 17 feet wide by 23 feet high, it weighs around 410 tons and has a clamping force of 6,000 tons. It can create objects with a surface area of up to 2.5 square meters and a maximum weight of 104 kilos. Fusion for die casting is as follows. Aluminum ingots and offcuts are melted at 850 degrees Celsius in a melting oven powered by natural gas until the liquid for Tesla's Giga press-based casting operation is removed from the surface in the form of aluminum oxide. The remaining liquid metal is then pumped through heated pipes to an enclosed warming oven that operates at 750 to 850 degrees Celsius and is heated by 400 kilowatts. The molten aluminum is surrounded by a nitrogen gas blanket in a tank that is constantly circulating to keep the temperature constant and avoid the formation of oxides at 750 degrees Celsius. The Gigapress's casting chamber receives a precise amount of molten metal from a holding oven, which is then forced into the mold at 400 degrees Celsius using a high-speed plunger, and an additional 8 milliliters of lubricant. The raw casting is removed from the mold once it is open. After the casting is removed by a robot, it is cooled from 400 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius in a quenching tank. A mechanical trim press is used to trim the approximate edges, and an X-ray is taken to examine the inside structure. Laser trimmed, computer measured, and drilled for fittings. Why is the GigaPress significant for Tesla? The procedure just takes a few minutes and yields robust, lightweight, and precise single-piece casting. By using the GigaPress to reduce the number of parts to one, Tesla is streamlining the design and engineering of the Model E's rear underbody. Previously, the underbody required stamping, welding, and fitting together tests. This saves time, money, and materials. Transport and quality assurance. According to Tesla, the GigaPress will reduce the rear underbody's weight by 10, slash expenses by 20, and speed up by 30. These savings will result in significant increases in the company's profitability and performance. Tesla plans to use the GigaPress for the front, underbody, and structural battery pack of its vehicles, among other parts. Another innovation from Tesla is the structural battery pack, which increases safety and stiffness while reducing weight by integrating the battery cells into the car's chassis instead of needing a separate battery module. Although not the only automaker using die casting equipment, Tesla is the only one using such large ones. The majority of other automakers use smaller equipment that can create tiny parts that need to be assembled and welded. The advantage of Tesla is its capacity to increase production with fewer machines and a lower level of complexity. What impact does the GigaPress have on the stock prices and rivals of Tesla? By using the GigaPress, Tesla is able to produce more cars with less resources and faster turnaround times than its competitors, which gives it a competitive advantage over them in a number of areas. Firstly, this means that Tesla will be able to meet the increased demand for its vehicles more easily and efficiently than its competitors who are currently using outdated methods. Second, it enables Tesla to lower production costs while raising profit margins. This implies that Tesla can choose to use these savings to lower costs for its customers or to invest them in ready to introduce new features and technologies. Thirdly, it solidifies Tesla's position as a leader in innovation and technology, which will enable it to draw in more clients looking for cutting-edge goods and services, as well as investors looking for long-term growth potential. These factors support Tesla's stock price increase and market performance. Over the previous 5 years, Tesla's stock price has increased by over 1,000%, making it one of the most valuable companies in the world. Toyota was eclipsed in market capitalization by Tesla. By December 2021, with the combination of Volkswagen and General Motors, Tesla's hidden weapon will no longer be so secret. Tesla is undoubtedly leading the electric car revolution and isn't afraid to defy the conventional wisdom. Industry forecaster William Brown claims that although Tesla is outperforming its competitors and opening up new markets and prospects for itself and others, economists caution that the global EV market may soon have more supply than demand. Even though he predicts that by 2026, the demand for electric vehicles in North America will reach 2.8 million units annually. He believes that North American EV facilities will be able to assemble more than 4.5 million units, putting overall capacity utilization at little over 60. China's removal of central government subsidies is accelerating competition for market dominance in the biggest e-commerce market players like Xpeng Inc. in China profited from Tesla's price hikes. Xbox is now less expensive in China, but it is less financially flexible. Tesla, based on company data that Reuters reviewed. As we continue to lower the cost of our cars, we anticipate that more people will have access to smart vehicles. In the third quarter, Xbox recorded a gross profit of $4,565 and a net loss of $11,735 per vehicle. Xbox stated then quickly when Beijing phased out Tesla, a Vietnamese EV firm said on Thursday that it would counter with price reductions. Subsidies for EV, the leader of the Chinese EV market, Bidco Limited, announced price increases effective January. Although Bide has not yet responded to Tesla's recent price reductions in China. Its gross margins of $5,456 per vehicle provided a greater wiggle room than Volkswagen in a price war. The last video of the day is from Toyota or General Motors. If you enjoyed it and learned anything new, please hit the like button. In addition, please leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on Tesla's covert weapon and subscribe to my channel to watch more films like to this one. We appreciate your time and we hope to see you again soon.